Hi everyone, hope you're having a great Christmas season, and today I'm back with some tips on how you can improve your IELTS speaking score. Number 1, don't memorize answers. Memorize language doesn't give the examiner an accurate measure of your English language skills. 2, use a range of grammatical structures. Number 3, avoid using fillers. Speak confidently and avoid using filler words like like, well, etc. Extend your answers. Extend your answers, but don't wait for the examiner to prompt you with a question. Don't speak in a monotone. Putting emphasis on certain words can help you make the conversation more engaging. With these tips, you should be able to build your confidence and get the desired IELTS band score. For additional information on IELTS, you can visit us at our website live.leverageedu.com or you can call us at 1800 572 000. Have a great time learning IELTS, and I hope that you get the score that you desire. Till then, happy learning and see you next time. Merry Christmas and wish you all a very happy New Year.